Yes, students, continuing with chapter number 3 of statistics, that is measures of central tendency. Now, students, on the screen you will find measures of positional average. Yes, it means we will be studying about measures of positional averages in upcoming part of the chapter. Now, over here, median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles, ये सारे positional averages होते हैं, of which we first start. Yes, obviously median से start करेंगे हम सबसे पहले, but before that the introductory part we studied that mean is an appropriate average if we have data which are evenly distributed around the average and the data which do not have too large or too small values. Yes, if the data do not have too large or too small values and if it is evenly distributed around the average, then mean is said to be the appropriate average. Now, it is said that mean does not become a good representative of the data if these conditions are not satisfied. Yes, अगर आगे की दो conditions satisfy नहीं होती हैं तो mean proper representative नहीं कहलाता है. Another average is more suitable in such situations which is called median. Yes, दूसरा average ज़्यादा suitable होता है जिसे median बोला जाता है. It is positional average. Yes, median is a positional average. In addition to median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles are also other positional averages. Now we move on to the meaning. Median, quartiles and deciles and percentiles are called positional averages. Yes, ये सारे positional averages कहलाते हैं. Why? Because their values are found using the value of an observation at a specific position. Yes, यहाँ पे specific position consideration में लिया जाता है among the values of the variable in the ordered data. Ordered data means over here if the question is not in ascending or descending order, you need to arrange it. Yes, यहाँ पे order में arrange करना compulsory होता है. I first start with median. Median is defined as the value of middlemost observation. Yes, this is the middlemost one when the data are arranged in either ascending or descending order. It is denoted by capital M. Yes, इसका denotation capital M होता है. In other words, 50% values of the observation in the data are above the median and 50% observations have value less than median. तभी इसको मिडिल मोस्ट बोला जाता है क्योंकि 50% अबाव होती है मीडियन के और 50% yes have value less than median. 50% observations have value less than median. Now we start with the calculation of median for raw data. Very first one, as we have to find the value at the center, the observations have to be arranged in ascending or descending order. This is what I have already said you. For n observations x1 x2 till xn, median is found as follows. Over here the formula is given to you people. Value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. For example, if we have 15 observations, the value of 15 plus 1 divided by 2th observation is 8th observation, that is 15 plus 1 we will get 16, 16 by 2 you will get the 8th observation will be exactly the central value which is called median. Yes, वो 8th observation central value होगा. Now suppose the data consists of 20 observations, then obviously formula will remain same as we studied earlier. It will be 20 plus 1 divided by 2, so 21 by 2 you will get 10.5. We say that the 10th and 11th observations are both in the center. In this case the median will be taken as mean of these two central values. All this, yes, in the next slide you will find with the help of example I'll explain you. Yes, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को median बताया गया है. This is part of the question. पहला line observations आप लोगों को दिए हुए हैं. If we count they are 11. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So n is 11. Now we need to arrange it in ascending order. Yes, arrangement ascending order में इधर किया हुआ है. We will write the formula. Yes, formula लिखना compulsory है, ज़रूरी होता है stats में. Formula लिखेंगे हम, values डालेंगे. Our n is 11, so it will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2. Now over here students, yes, 11 plus 1 दोनों के नीचे 2 आता है. So 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 I divide by 2, I'll get 6th observation. So 6th observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th observation is 15. So my answer is 15. Students, now we move on to the next type. Again यहाँ पे भी observations दिए हुए हैं. My first line is question. Over here n is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. n 8 है. We'll arrange it in ascending order as the rule goes. उसके बाद yes the formula. उसके बाद the details. 8 plus 1 divide by 2. Once again I am reminding you 8 plus 1 पूरे के नीचे 2 दिया हुआ है. So it will be 9 by 2. It is 4.5th observation. सेम जो चीज़ हमने अभी थ्योरी पार्ट में किया. It will be value of 4th observation plus value of 5th observation divided by 2. So 4th and 5th observations कौन से हैं हम देखते हैं. Yes, जो ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया हुआ है वहाँ हम देखेंगे. 4th observation 1, 2, 3. 4th observation 45 आया. 5th observation 48 आया. So it is 45 plus 48 divided by 2. You will get the answer 46.5. Students, now over here we start with the median when it is grouped data for discrete frequency distribution उसमें भी. Now suppose x1, x2 till xk are the values of a variable with frequencies f1, f2 till fk respectively. A frequency distribution generally shows the observation arranged in ascending order. हाँ, mostly इसमें question में आपको ascending order में दिया हुआ होगा. नहीं दिया हो तो yes you need to arrange it. We shall use the cumulative frequencies. यहाँ पे cumulative frequencies यूज़ की जाती हैं to find the median of the frequency distribution where observations are arranged in ascending order. Here median is found as follows. Over here the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Over here n equals to f1 plus f2 plus till plus fk equals to sigma fi equals to total number of observations. Now students, अभी तक तो आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा कि जब fi फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया हुआ हो तो n जो होता है वो उसका टोटल होता है. दैट इज n इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा fi. नाउ यस द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट. नाउ ओवर है आप लोगों को x दिया हुआ है, आप लोगों को f ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. सेम चीज़ मैंने इधर भी लिखी है मेरे आंसर टेबल में. ओवर है टोटल ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी किया गया है 64. यू ऑल नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट CF बट स्टिल वंस अगेन पहला वाला सेम रहेगा. देन इट विल बी 8 plus 1 you will get 9. देन इट इज़ 20 plus 9 you will get 29. सो ऑन you will make the calculations. CF का लास्ट वाला और फ्रीक्वेंसी का टोटल शुड ऑलवेज मैच. अगर मैच नहीं हो रहा है इट मीन्स यस कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है. नाउ यस ओवर हियर n is 64. वी पुट द डिटेल्स इन द फॉर्मूला n plus 1 upon 2th observation. 64 plus 1 divided by 2th observation, that is 65 upon 2th observation. you will get 32.5. अब 32.5 कहाँ पे आएगा हमको CFI के कॉलम में देखना होता है. 32.5 वी सी तो वो 44 तक आएगा. CFI के कॉलम में देखना है जैसे मैंने अभी बोला क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के कॉलम में तो 44 तक 32.5 आएगा. 44 के सामने हमारा x क्या है, दैट इज यस 3. So my answer is also 3. 44 के सामने it is 3. So my answer is 3. This is what is written over here. It can be known from the cumulative frequencies that the 30th to the 44th observation have value 3. 30th यानी कि 29 के बाद 30th till 44th the value is what? Yes 3. 29 के बाद यानी कि 30 से लेके 44 तक it is what? Yes 3 as I said. So over here is the 32.5th observation has value 3. So median is also 3. So students, अब नेक्स्ट टाइप में यहाँ पे अगेन आप लोगों को इन शॉर्ट मैंने क्वेश्चन ऊपर लिख दिया है. यहाँ पे ये डिटेल जो है इट्स रिटन ओवर हेयर. इन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव रिटन ओवर हेयर 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी 5, 7, 8, 15, 5. Same thing is written over here also. Cumulative frequency you all know how to calculate. Yes, the total of frequency is 40. आप add up करेंगे you will get 40. We start with the calculations over here. N is yes 40. Median we all know the formula n plus 1 upon 2th observation, 40 plus 1 upon 2th observation, 20.5th observation. अब यहाँ पे 20.5th ऑब्जर्वेशन आया है. पहले वाले सम के हिसाब से अपन देखते तो डायरेक्टली आंसर 13 लिखते, बट नहीं, यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं करना हम लोगों को. ओवर है हमारा जो आगे वाला पार्ट है, डेसिमल के आगे वाला, इज मैचिंग विथ the cumulative frequency. So over the calculations will be a bit different. Over here पूरा टेबल में explanation दिया हुआ है. The observation of this discrete frequency distribution are as follows in their increasing order: 10 10 10 10 10 11 11 11 11 11 11 11 11 12 12 12 12 12 दिया हुआ है. 12 13 दिया हुआ है, फिर 13 13. An inspection for above observation shows that the 20.5th observation is a mean of 12 and 13. Now over here again a detailed explanation हम लोगों को दिया गया है. Value of 20th observation plus value of 21st observation. 20.5 जो है वो इन दोनों के बीच में lie करेगा. So it will be yes, value of 20th observation plus value of 21st observation. Again in detail it is written, it can be known from the cumulative frequencies that 13th to 20th observation have value 12. 13th to 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन यानी कि 12 के बाद 13 से लेके टिल 20th, यानी कि यस पॉइंटर से आप देख रहे हैं टिल 20th, इट इज द वैल्यू इज व्हाट, यस 12 इज द वैल्यू. एंड द 21th to 35th ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैव वैल्यू 13. सेम चीज़ देखो, अगेन पॉइंटर से देखो, 21 से लेके 35th तक द वैल्यू इज व्हाट, यस 13. So the 20th and 21st observations are 12 and 13 respectively. Same cheese again, yes 12 and 13 आया हमारा. So it will be 12 plus 13 by 2, it is 25 by 2. You will get 12.5 in as your median, students. Now I hope I am clear to you till my today's E class. Students, I'll continue, yes, with the median till that time. Thank you.